we are looking at a very large, oversized, mid-19th century lithograph map of Texas, put out about 1864 or 5 by Johnson and Ward. It's got original hand color. It's got a very pleasing overall appearance. There is some damp staining, light damp staining in the corners. There are some very short and or minor repair work done along the blank margin edges, which I'm going to flip this map over in a moment to focus on to show you. But the first thing I'm going to point out is right up here along this centerfold is this absolutely thin sliver of loss to the printed surface that is so thin you can barely see it. In fact, if this map was displayed, I'd say no one would notice that. Unless you take out a magnifying glass and try to look for it. Down here, in this little corner area right here is this little tiny disruption to the surface that is not a puncture, but a little bit of a scrape. So we have that tiny little scrape right there that's worth pointing out. Now, aside from that, we can see the map displays quite well, a little bit of wrinkle over here. Let's turn it over and see on the back what's going on. What we have on that thin sliver along the fold line is this beautiful repair job here using almost matching paper that from the front fills it perfectly. There are a couple short tears at the edges that have been repaired with archival tape. There's a short little minor archival tape repair down here at the base of the centerfold. Very short and minor. Here's an archival tape repair right here. As far as I can see, to my eye, this is that little spot that was backed to we'll just flip the map back over so you can see this is a tiny little piece of paper that's backing that little scrape area like so, so it's all but imperceptible. It just appears to be a small little scratch to the surface or something. But at any rate, this map, as we see it, and as examined here, is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.